Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I've got a special video. Throughout the years, I've been getting so many messages throughout my media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, asking for free Photoshop. Hey Miguel, do you know how do I get free Photoshop? Do you have serial keys for Photoshop? And I always replied the same way, and I'm doing this video just for you if you are after free Photoshop. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to my browser, and I've got like Google over here, and you can see there's free Adobe Photoshop CC free trial and many other options as well, probably some legal and other illegal. So what I want to do is I want just to go to adobe.com like so, and what I've got here is many options, and I want to photographers. I want to click on photographers. The reason is if you want Photoshop for free, most likely you are a photographer. You may be a designer, but I'm doing this for photographers as a photographer myself. So as a photographer, you will have this option right here on Adobe website, and we've got choose a plan, and I'll tell you exactly what I mean. I'm going to choose a plan. There you go. So right here we have a photography plan. So basically, as a photographer, you shoot RAW. Therefore, you'll need a way to process the images, and the best ones out there are Lightroom and Adobe Bridge were combined with Camera Raw. So if you already have Lightroom, well, you get Photoshop for free. As you can see, that's very easy. For £9.98 a month, you have the photography plan, which gives you 20 gig of storage, online storage. It includes Lightroom CC, which basically it's like a Lightroom mobile version, but that you can use your own computer, can be synchronized online, and with your Lightroom Classic CC, gives you Photoshop CC, and gives you a lot more for your mobile devices. So that means you can get Photoshop Mix on your mobile device, you can get Lightroom on your mobile device, and synchronize everything from different devices you may have. So as you can see, here is your answer. If you want Photoshop for free and you are a photographer, you already own Lightroom, so therefore Photoshop is free. There you go. So very cheap. I would advise everyone to do it because this is awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and share to all of those friends who ask for Photoshop for free. Now you've got the video how to tell them how to do it. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.